Hi everyone, it's Sophia and my mom Culture. Today we're going to be opening up a Fabfitfun box.
Look right here.
With our dog, Bear. So let's get into the video.
So this is the Fabfitfun winter box. I've had this for a few weeks now, but we're just starting to film this, and she's going to do it with me. So I'm going to open it up.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Show them this.
So we got like a little magazine.
And I believe that is Christy Brinkley. Oh,
Katie.
No, it's Katie Couric. Seriously though, doesn't that look like Christy Brinkley? Just like, anyway, she's beautiful. I love Katie Couric. Now let's dive in. Show them the first thing you find.
So the first thing I found was some scrunchies, some cheetah printed scrunchies.
So these are by a company called Noir. N-O-I-R, I believe that is French. And yeah, it's 2 scrunchies. You want to check them out?
Yeah, can I wear one?
You can wear one in your hair. And oh, there's
3.
3 of them.
Okay, so put it in my hair.
And I'll wear this one around my wrist.
Actually, I'm just gonna keep it right.
Okay. Okay, so there are some cards and
Yummy.
all kinds of stuff. HBO Max, HelloFresh, Nourish.
Boring.
Yeah, all that stuff. So there's food in this box.
There's a kind bar. We love these.
Okay, what kind bar? It's dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. It's 90 calories. We're not gonna eat it in this room. We'll eat it later. Go ahead.
We have this VIP edition Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening.
I am super excited
I am super
about this system because I
weird about this.
I have other whitening
teeth whitening
kits and they work, but I really wanted to try one that has this, oh, you plug it into your phone. Mobile white LED light tray with syringe and then a mobile device adapter. That is very interesting. Here is a before and after. All right, next. So
we have a
Dr. Brandt
new beauty product winner thing.
It's a pore dermabrasion product. It's a pore perfecting exfoliator. Let's take it out. You don't need this, but mommy needs it.
It's boring.
Yes, pore perfecting exfoliator. You just helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, and helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. And I don't think you should try it.
I'm not gonna try it.
All right, next.
We have a London Town nail recovery. I think this is like nail thingies, nail polish.
Get Well Nail Recovery. It says here.
Let's open it up.
Cool. Healthier looking nails are just 1 week away. An intense treatment infused with a blend of powerful hydrators and strengtheners.
Can I open it?
Bring them back to normal. Let me put it on my nail.
Okay.
There it is.
Can't
Just
really
clear
see
polish. Next.
We have Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. Gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens.
And this is by Wish. Had their products before.
I'm playing with the scrunchies. Okay, can I choose some next? Ooh, nope.
It's right there.
Rub it in. Like
You smell it?
lipstick.
Ooh, smell it.
It smells good.
It smells really good. It smells like summer. Okay, next.
We have this Rhythm of the Rain hair
Mask.
mask
M-A-S-Q-U-E.
and scalp detox.
Ooh, I need this.
By a company called AVIARA.
For pure and soothing. You work in your roots 2 to 3 minutes and then, oh, you can leave it in longer if you want to do deep conditioning. Yeah, it's just a white, very thick, kind of creamy formula. And then you can put this on your hair and your scalp and
just go
and take care of it. I need that. It smells good. All right, next.
We have like these products.
Mommy has Murad.
Rapid collagen infusion. Collagen infusion.
What is this? This is called Resurgence Fast-Acting Treatment with a topical filler-like effect. Plump skin surface to minimize the look of lines or wrinkles after just one use. That sounds amazing. Rapid collagen infusion. Let's try this out.
Can I try it?
You don't have any wrinkles.
We have an ACV apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder
Ooh.
by DPHUE.
DPHUE.
We love apple cider vinegar.
We like, yes, we love
drink
apples.
it.
We drink it, yes. But this is
It says
a dry shampoo powder for your
shampoo.
hair. Did you know ACV is good for your hair, for your scalp and your hair?
No.
We drink it, we don't put it in our hair.
So it says a gentle dry shampoo powder that helps you absorb oil and impurities, refreshes your style quickly, and adds a touch of lift and texture. Use in un shampooing. Oh no, that's Spanish.
There we go, it just comes out.
Put it on my hair.
And mommy definitely needs some dry shampoo. Very cool.
I didn't get to try any of the bodies.
You can try this one.
What's this one?
Okay, massage it in. The hair mask. All right, everyone, that is it. Comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite. My favorite, I mean, I don't know even what to expect with it plugging into a phone. However, this is my favorite so far. What is your favorite?
My favorite was the scrunchies.
Oh yeah, the scrunchies. And also this kind bar.
Yeah.
Let's say goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching, and I will leave a code down below that you can save $10 off of your first purchase on Fabfitfun, whether it is for your first box or for any other purchases. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.